This is the Leather Honey Leather Care Kit that we got. So it's since 1968, makes leather last longer. The packaging is really nice. And then you open it up. Beautiful. Leather care kit for cars, furniture, shoes, handbags, apparel, and accessories. And then you have a little QR code. It comes with the leather cleaner. Comes with your rag and a leather conditioner. So we have a leather couch, and I like to clean and condition it, you know, as often as I can, really. So, oh, you know what? It actually comes with 2 rags, which is perfect. So for the cleaner, you have your directions on here. Shake well. Do not oversaturate. Allow to dry completely. Follow with conditioner on genuine leather. So I'm going to put a little bit more, and I'm just gonna do 1 cushion right now. We have a dog, so our leather couch has gotten a little beat up over time, but if you clean and condition it with a high quality product, it should last a long time. And like this says, it works great on shoes, handbags, all kinds of stuff. And you really want to use something like this for leather. You don't want to, you know, mistreat your leather. And we have our conditioner. I'm just gonna make sure this dries. I didn't use too much on it. This does not have a real strong odor. It, I would say, has no odor at all, really. So that's kind of nice, because some of them can be a little bit overpowering. And we have our leather conditioner. And this one you want to let sit, and then just wipe off the excess. And there you can see it's already getting shinier. So it's a good high quality leather care kit. Definitely recommend. I'll show you again. So you get 2 microfiber rags, the leather cleaner, and leather conditioner. Leather Honey Leather Care Kit.